in Photoshop and let's do some of the brush painting here, and just select another color that just be a little similar to skin. So first of all, let's select a color around this one works as a hard color skin, and then we are going to just select just this color. So okay, this is okay, so just paint it here, and what we want is smoother transition between the colors. We don't want hardness around them. So first of all, what we are going to do, just select mixer brush from here, just select that, and then keep the wetness around 15. I would like to keep it wetness around 15, flow to 100, and all these things to these values whatever you are seeing, and I will keep this color transparent. So we are just selecting this thing here. So what we are going to do, just to paint here, click and paint, and you will get the smoother transition between the colors. So you see, I'm just clicking and painting. So here we are done, and our colors are now smooth. We don't have hardness in between, and we are done. Just do something some portrait painting, just like we want to do to make our artwork smooth and portrait smooth. So let's do that for now, so that we can understand how it works, how it really works. So let's do it. So here we are in Photoshop, and let's paint it. Select the mixer brush and paint. Start painting. Keep the setting that I have kept right now. You may do this, you may play with the setting, but with that setting you may paint better. Anyway, you can paint your own thing, whatever you suits you, whatever setting you want, you can do that, and select it and paint in the direction of your shadows and highlights. I mean, you have to do that in the direction of skin. So wherever skin goes inside, you have to paint inside. Skin goes outside, you have to do the same thing in the direction of skin. So first of all, you have to paint in the direction of skin, shadows and highlights, and reshape the skin, just like I'm doing here right now with nose. So I'm just doing that because I didn't get the perfect lines and perfect colors around that thing. So I'm just repainting it, so that our line work, not our line work, but our painting look more better with our mixer brush. So we can also repaint it, a type of repainting the skin. So we are just making a smooth transition of colors and reshaping the skin to make smoother transition and look more better picture. So here we are doing something and just doing the same thing, just painting in the direction of skin, and that's all. That's what you have to do again and again, and reshape the skin. Wherever you feel there is just some mistake, you want to reshape the skin, then you have to do that, because this is the most important thing. You can also reshape the skin. That's all. That's the whole idea. Wherever you feel that it's not going to be a good transition, then you have to paint over that and make it correct, reshape the skin. That's all. And here just like we want to make our eyes little better and smooth the transition in our eyes, so let's do that. And after that we want something in here, and we did that thing too. We made more colors into it, and here we are in other area, and we are doing the same thing. Whole idea is same, just paint in the direction of shadows and highlights, and that's all you have to do. Here we are on the neck and doing the same thing again, and our clothes, and that's it. We are just going to paint the shadows and highlights in the direction of his skin. Clothes, where shadows and highlights are, you have to paint in the direction of that particular area. So just do that and you will get a lot better results. And just do that, paint in the direction of skin, hair. In this case we are just painting in the direction of clothes, and here we are just adding more colors on it so that our painting looks a little real. We are just making some highlights over the forehead, so that it looks a little better. We just get a better result. And then we are just painting some of the lights so that our colors look dramatic and all that stuff. We're just painting the background so that our painting look a little better. We just doing that, and that's the whole thing. We have to make our painting look better, because a better background plays a very important role in that, and you just have to make a perfect background for your artwork. That's the whole idea. You have to do that anyway. And here we have our name. Whatever name you have, you can take it, but that is not necessary for you, but I'm just doing it for myself. So here we have our colors, and then I think that one is okay. So just make and play with the opacity and brightness and all that stuff. Whatever suits you, whatever background you think is perfect, you should keep that, because at the end of the day artwork is all yours. You don't have to be worried about a single thing. So I think this one color is better than the previous. Let's save it, and then here we have our result. Thank you for watching.